Say hello to high earnings. Unique ways to monetize WordPress. Are you a WordPress enthusiast looking to turn your passion into profit? In this, we will explore unique and effective strategies to monetize your WordPress website. Discover various methods that go beyond traditional advertising and explore opportunities to generate high earnings. From affiliate marketing to digital products, we will guide you through the exciting world of WordPress monetization. Maximize your website's potential and say hello to high earnings with these unique ways to monetize WordPress. Welcome to our channel, where we unveil the secrets to WordPress success. Today, we have an exciting topic for all WordPress enthusiasts out there: monetizing your WordPress website. If you've ever wondered how to turn your passion into profit, this video is for you. In this video, we will explore unique and highly effective ways to monetize your WordPress website and say hello to high earnings. So, let's dive in. Section 1. What is WordPress monetization? Before we delve into the unique ways to monetize your WordPress website, let's first understand what WordPress monetization actually means. In simple terms, it refers to the process of earning revenue from your WordPress website. While traditional methods such as advertising can be effective, we will focus on some lesser-known techniques that can yield even higher earnings. So, let's get started. Section 2. Unique ways to monetize WordPress. Now that you understand what WordPress monetization is, let's explore some unique and highly effective ways to turn your WordPress website into a money-making machine. Affiliate marketing is a popular and lucrative way to monetize your WordPress website. By promoting products or services of other companies through unique affiliate links, you can earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referrals. We will guide you through the process of finding the right affiliate programs and effectively integrating them into your WordPress site. Another fantastic way to monetize your WordPress website is by creating and selling digital products. Whether it's ebooks, online courses, or software, digital products often have high profit margins and can generate a steady stream of income. We will provide you with valuable tips to create irresistible digital products and market them effectively to your audience. Offering premium content or membership subscriptions to your audience can provide a consistent and predictable revenue stream. By providing exclusive access to valuable resources, tutorials, or premium content, you can entice your visitors to become paying members. Learn how to set up membership systems and develop engaging premium content to maximize your earnings. Sponsored posts and reviews can be an excellent way to monetize your WordPress website while maintaining authenticity. Partnering with relevant brands allows you to create sponsored content or review their products, services in exchange for compensation. We will provide guidance on finding suitable sponsors, negotiating fair deals, and creating compelling sponsored content. If you possess specialized skills or expertise, offering services or consultations through your WordPress website can significantly boost your earnings. Whether you're a web developer, designer, marketer, or consultant, we will show you how to showcase your skills, attract clients, and deliver valuable services to generate consistent income. Congratulations! You have discovered some unique and effective ways to monetize your WordPress website and boost your earnings. Remember, WordPress monetization is not limited to traditional advertising. By exploring these unique methods such as affiliate marketing, selling digital products, offering premium content, sponsored posts, and providing services, you can unlock the true potential of your WordPress website. Say hello to high earnings and transform your passion into profit today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content. Until next time, happy monetizing!